Welcome. Today we'll be going over creating a repository in OpenManage Enterprise using the Update Manager plugin. From the Update Manager plugin, we will select repository, then create repository. On the new window, we provide a name for the repository. This name is automatically duplicated to the baseline name. However, this can be modified as needed. The base catalog option in the drop-down menus will include our enterprise server catalog, index catalog, as well as a network share option. The enterprise catalog is the latest available catalog from Dell.com. Our index catalog, which allows the selection of specific solution-based platforms, as well as previously released enterprise catalogs. The network share option allows the Update Manager to reach a catalog file located at one of the following share types: NFS, CIFS, HTTP, or HTTPS. Today we'll be using Enterprise Server Catalog for the latest available updates. The refresh catalog option is the rate at which the catalog the repository is utilizing will update the component list. This can be set to manual or automatically. The update frequency can be set to daily with a specific time the refresh will occur, as well as weekly, which allows the selection of a specific day of the week. We'll hit next. On the devices and groups page, we'll select the device types for creating the repository. The devices selected will dictate which firmware the repository downloads. All devices includes all devices that have been discovered within OME. Devices allows the manual selection of specific devices. You can go into your full device list and select devices individually. And the groups option allows the selection of a system group or any custom group created within OpenManage Enterprise. Once we have the devices selected, we'll click Next for a quick review summary page here. If everything is accurate, we can click Finish. The repository has now been created. Thank you and have a great day.